The following video is intended for general information only. The circumstances of each case are different and must be addressed on a case-by-case basis. The information in this video is specific to the state of Tennessee and is not a substitute for the advice of a lawyer. Also, laws may change and may be different from county to county. Legal Aid of East Tennessee presents the Anytime Attorney, legal information on demand 24/7. This video explains how to get an order of protection.
If you are a victim of abuse, threats of abuse, sexual assault, or stalking, an order of protection may help protect you. To file for an order of protection, go to the court clerk's office in the county where the abuse happened, or to the court clerk's office in the county where your abuser lives. The clerk will give you forms that you must fill out. Information you will need to give includes the date when the abuse, sexual assault, rape, or stalking occurred, where the abuse happened, and specific details of how you were hurt and why you were afraid of your abuser. Give specific examples like, my abuser pushed or shoved me into a wall, to the floor, etc. My abuser hit me with a fist, weapon, furniture, or other object. My abuser choked me with hands, rope, cord, etc. Or my abuser threatened me with a gun, knife, hammer, or other object, threatened to flee with the children, etc. You will also be asked if you called the police, if the abuser was arrested, and if you received medical treatment. Once you have filled out the forms, give them to the clerk and sign your name in front of the clerk. Remember that the clerk cannot charge you a fee to file for the order of protection. Now that you have filed, the court clerk will have a judge review your paperwork and a court hearing date will be scheduled. This is usually about 15 days from when you filed. The judge may sign a temporary order called an ex parte order. This is in force until your hearing date when the judge decides whether or not to give you a final order. The ex parte order is to keep your abuser away from you while you are waiting for your hearing date. Get a copy of the ex parte order and your petition. Keep them with you at all times. If you are not given an ex parte order, you still have the right to a hearing to get the order of protection. It is important to remember that the abuser will not be in violation of the ex parte order until he or she has been served with a copy of it. Your court date may be listed on the ex parte order. If not, call the court clerk and remember, you must attend your hearing. The ex parte order is not a custody order. Child custody may be addressed at the final hearing. Now that you've filed for an order of protection, how can you stay safe from your abuser until your next hearing date? The next video in our series will explain how.
This video was produced by Legal Aid of East Tennessee. The information in this video is not a substitute for the advice of a lawyer. Also, laws may change and may be different from county to county and in states other than Tennessee.